Friday face mask time, and the face mask in question we are going to be doing is this. It's by the brand the Pastel shop, and it is a deep cleansing 24 karat gold with collagen peel off mask. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, it is Friday face mask time, and the face mask we're going to be doing this week is this one. So this is by the brand the Pastel shop, and it's 24 karat gold with collagen peel off mask. So certainly sounds interesting. I've noticed on the back of here it says just put it on the places where you're likely to get blackheads, which is nose, this bit of your cheeks here, for me in any way, and my chin. But the lady on the front of the packet has put it all over her face. Should I put it all over my face? I think we're going to put it all over my face. Why not? Let's go whole hog. So yes, on the back it says cleanse your skin and use a hot towel to put on the areas with open pores and blackheads, and do that for 3 to 5 minutes just to help open your pores up a little bit. I haven't done that. What I've done before this video is I have used this. This is my facial steamer. It's by Lux Skin. I've literally just done a review on it, so I'll link the video here if you want to go and watch that video. So I will speed up this part for you. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really, really helps my channel out. Let's get to it. Right, so it just says on the back of the packet, to properly use this product, apply a thin layer on the face, avoiding direct contact with the eyes, brows and lips, mainly on the areas with blackheads, e.g. the nose. Wait for the mask to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes, peel the mask off and gently cleanse. So I've actually put this mask on a little bit thicker because I've used the whole packet. As you can see, it is very, very golden in colour indeed. And yeah, the woman on the front of the packet has put it all over her face. That's exactly what I'm doing. There we go, it is on. I kind of gave up with the spatula and used my hands. I've kind of got it everywhere now, but never mind. So yeah, like I said in the voiceover when I was applying the mask, it says to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. I'll come back. I can already feel it tightening and drying, so that's awesome. Yeah, see you in a bit. So it has been half an hour, and I seriously can't move my face. It is like stuck in this position forever, basically. It is dried, and wow, look, I mean, look, you can see it pulling there when I move. Like, it's proper solid. Yeah, let's peel it off. I'm predicting when I peel it off, I am gonna go bright red. Like, even when I put cream on, my face sometimes goes a little bit pink, so this, it's definitely gonna go red. When I wax my eyebrows and stuff, I go red and swollen, so I'm thinking that's what's gonna happen here. I'm hoping this isn't gonna hurt. I didn't think about that when I put it on. Yeah. So let's just get to taking this off. Please don't hurt. Let's just do it. Okay, that's not so bad. Let's see what it's like here and see how hairy I am. Oh, okay, no, it's not bad actually. Ooh. This looks so good. A little delicate around the hairline. Me moustache. Got it. Oh, my eyes are watering. But it doesn't hurt, it was just a little bit tender when my hairier bits off. Can I do it all in a one? Can I? So close. Ooh. Okay, right. This is where it's going to be tricky, where my nose ring is. I accidentally put it on my nose ring. But let's do this side first. Hey, I'm really impressed I got it off all in a wanna. Wow. And there she is, guys. There she is. You can see that some debris have come off my face, which is nice. I'm not seeing like massive blackheads or anything. I don't think I had really bad blackheads. But let's just take a closer look at the skin. I'm not as red as I thought I was, so that's great. It did not hurt when I took it off. It was a bit delicate around this bit here, a little bit delicate around where the hairline is, and it was just a little bit delicate over where my moustache is. I'm not that hairy there, actually. I shaved there a few days ago, so yeah. But yeah, my skin's feeling quite good. I've just got a few debris here, like little bits that haven't come off. But I definitely got that off in a wanna. These little bits don't count. But my skin feels really, really soft. It doesn't feel hydrated or moisturized or anything like that. But it feels clean, it feels soft. And yeah, it feels like it's ready to absorb something good. So I am just gonna pop some skincare on. So it's about 5 minutes after filming, and I just wanted to show you that yes, I am turning red. I thought that I would, it was just a little bit delayed. So yeah, you can see there's a red line going around there. It feels a little bit hot to touch, but I don't mind because when I took it off, it didn't hurt at all. This is just a reaction of messing around with my skin, but it still feels nice and soft. It still feels really, really good. But yeah, time to put that skincare on. But yeah, I quite rate this mask. It's really, really good. If you want to peel off mask that's not going to take your actual skin off when you're peeling it off, this is the one. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.